Okay. Attorney Adamas, are you ready on your
Yes,
plea?
ma'am.
Okay. Judge, this is on page 3, Vidales.
1 minute, please. Okay. Vidales. Yeah, found him. We're now live on YouTube. So let me see. Vidales. Here. Mr. Vidales, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, so help me God.
Thank you.
I-
Put your hand
I'm-
down, sir.
I'm sorry, Judge. Do you mind if we put this plea on pause? I need to confer with co-counsel real quick.
Okay,
I'm so sorry, Judge. I hate to do that to you.
that's fine. You need to talk to Mr. Rodriguez.
I need to talk to co-counsel.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, I wonder where there's a co-counsel. Okay, go ahead.
Like offline.
You need to go to a breakout room with somebody.
Yes.
Don't you? Who is that
Yes.
somebody you have to go in breakout room with?
I need to call somebody else from the public defender's office, basically.
Okay, why don't you just put yourself on mute,
Yeah.
call them and try and do it as quickly as you can, please. Okay?
If I could speak to Dan, the
Yes,
offer.
I'll put you. Breakout room 6, please.
Thank you.
You signed everything your attorney told you.
Yes.
If you could put me back with my client, please.
Swear.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kelly, can we get Kelly? Yes.
Just wait a minute.
Attorney Garcia, are you ready?
Yes.
You're muted.
Just,
Uh,
I'm not sure exactly where they put me in there, but I know it's.
yes, I am. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, I can
Yeah.
hear you.
And I just sent Alex a chat saying it's going to be a JSAT well,
Yes.
it's
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
thank you.
I got it.
Okay.
Judge, do you want to do this one now?
Yeah,
One
why don't
that's
we do
ready?
that one? I'll pull down the paperwork on what I had before. If we can move, Mr. Vidales, we're gonna have to do you a little bit later. Your attorney's still busy, so we're gonna get somebody ahead of you, but we'll get you back on.
Okay.
Okay.
good church.
So who is Miss Garcia's client then?
Melinda Silva,
Melinda's-
Judge.
Miss Melinda what?
Page 3.
Silva? Okay.
She has 2 cases, Judge.
Both, are they both MTRs?
They are.
Real quick, Judge, I'm so sorry for interrupting the whole flow of everything. I'm not this client's normal attorney. It's Brian O'Donnell. I'm
Uh-huh.
having some serious questions about competency. I understand Brian felt like he was competent and Brian wanted to take this plea. I just don't feel entirely comfortable given the circumstances that he is entirely competent. So I think
Okay.
at this time, I'm not going to plea him.
Okay, so
I
you
will
want to
get,
reset it?
yeah, I'll get with Deborah about getting a reset, and possibly sending this back to CC12.
Okay, so I'm just put here reset. Deborah, can you give him a reset?
Yes. Do you want a reset date right now, Attorney Adams?
I think we're gonna try to get him a PR bond, so we can give him a reset date. I just don't know if if he's still gonna be in jail at that time.
Okay,
That's okay.
I'll reset it to Wednesday,
Okay.
and then just let me know. Or Attorney O'Donnell will let me know.
Thank you, Deborah.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
now Vidales, I'm just gonna trash that paperwork then.
Thank you.
Okay, so then who do I have on my screen now? Is that Silva?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on. Let's see. Silva's got 2 MTRs.
Mhm.
Pulling up the paperwork on my computer. Ms. Silva, can you raise your right hand? Testimony that you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. Is your name Melinda Silva?
Yes.
Are you the same Melinda Silva who in this cause number 2025 CC 002679 who is on probation for the offense of theft as a Class B misdemeanor? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Melinda Silva who in the other cause number 2025 CC 001479 who in that case is also on probation for the offense of theft as a Class B misdemeanor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we're clear here. You know that you have 2 cases and they're both MTRs and they're both probations on theft cases. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have on my screen a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Video, which you signed in both of these cases, and so did your attorney. When you signed these documents, what you did was you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. 1 minute. On my screen now, I have a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have filed this in both cases. You signed it in both cases, so did your lawyer. When you signed these documents and filed them, what you did was you told me that you understand that if I revoke your probation, you have a right to appeal the actual revocation, but not the underlying conviction. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The reason we are here is that there has been a motion to revoke your probation filed in your cases that alleges that during the term of your probation that you violated the conditions of your probation. Can I ask the district attorney to please read the alleged violations?
Violated condition number 4. This is going to be the same for both cases, Your Honor.
Okay.
Condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Melinda Ruth Silva, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February 2026 in violation of condition number 4.
So then, in cause number 2025 CC 01479, we on probation. In that case, to that allegation, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
Okay, and your other cause number 2025 CC 002679. In that case, how do you plead? True or not true?
True. True.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this of your own free will in both these cases.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state the pleas recited?
Yes, Your Honor. First of all, we're going to waive the remaining violations on both MPRs. We ask that you find it true. We ask that you revoke her probation on both, reform the underlying sentence on both to a 0 fine, court cost, 15 days, Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, but they run concurrent with each other, Your Honor. I show that she has at least 13 days in jail.
Okay, I'm going to JSAT these cases. Do you agree to this plea bargain, Ms. Garcia?
I do.
You agree to the plea bargain, Ms. Silva?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Silva, in cause number 2025 CC 002679, where you charged with you on probation. In that case, the court, having heard you plead true, on that plea true, the court finds it is true, and I revoke your probation. I reform your sentence. In that case, to show a $0 fine plus court costs, 15 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money current, the judgment satisfied.
Okay.
Hold on 1 minute. I've done one set of paperwork. I have to go back and do the other set of paperwork or else you get stuck in jail. So just 1 minute, please.
No, no. Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now I'm looking for Miss Silva. Here we go.
15 days. 26 days.
Okay, in the other case, cause number 2025 CC 001479. We also on probation for theft. In that case, the court having heard you plea of true to the motion to revoke. Your probation is revoked. Reform your sentence to show a $0 fine plus court costs, 15 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied.
Thank you.
And do you know if these are the only cases holding your client, Ms. Garcia?
I believe so, Judge.
If these are the only cases holding you, ma'am, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
And Ms. Garcia, if that's the only thing you have with me this morning, then you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless.
I'm not sure I shared my screen on that. I'm sorry if I didn't. I should have. But all right. There you go, making mistakes left and right. Okay. What do I have next?
Miss Kelly.
Ollie Kelly, page 2.
Ollie Kelly.
Plead to both, Your Honor.
It's going to be a plea to both cases. Okay, 1 minute. Got a criminal trespass and the evading. So let me pull up the evading. 1 minute. Evading is 36. It's this one. Okay, Miss Kelly, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Ollie Kelly?
Yes, it is.
Are you the same Ollie Kelly who in this cause number 2026 CC 009086, who is charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you in this case?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. it's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in this case?
Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Ollie Kelly when cause number 2026 CC 011836 when that case is charged with the offense of evading arrest?
Mhm.
Is that you?
Yes, sir.
On the evading arrest case, that's a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in that case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in that case?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's make sure you understand this. You got two cases. You got one Class B misdemeanor and one Class A misdemeanor. The Class B is a criminal trespass. The Class A is an evasion. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm looking now at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you filed in both cases. You signed it in both cases, and so did your attorney. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you signed it and your attorney signed it.
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, he said it was for
I
me.
just give me a yes or no, ma'am. Did he
Okay,
explain it to
yes.
you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document. It's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Again, you filed this in both cases, signed it in both cases, so did your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was this. You told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, man?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense in cause number 2026 CC 009086, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead?
No
Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
Okay. And then in your other case, cause number 2026 CC 011836, in that case, where you're charged with evading arrest, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
1 minute, please. Do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, someone promised you something in order to get you to enter these pleas.
Time served.
Okay, that's your plea bargain. But
Yes.
besides that, and apart from that,
No,
has
sir.
somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing it of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
It's going to be the same on both, Your Honor. 0 fine, court costs, 30 days, 30 days, Bear County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, that they'll run concurrent with each other. She has 13 days at least.
Okay, I'm going to Jason this case. Do you agree to the plea bargain, Ms. Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree to this plea bargain, Ms. Kelly?
Yes.
Well, Ms. Kelly, the court haven't heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. Sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 30 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Okay, done one set of your paperwork. I got to go back and do the other set, or you get stuck in jail. So just be patient with me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, in your other case, in cause number 2026 CC 009086, where you're charged with the offense of evading arrest. I think that's correct. Let me make sure. Yeah. In that case, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I file the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money in current, the judgment satisfied. Bella, can you double check the numbers on these? Because the labels on my screen are different from what's in my paperwork, and I want to make sure that these are correct. Can you do that later?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
are
if you
these,
could please correct them if they're wrong, I'm sorry.
if these are the only cases holding you, ma'am, you
Yes, sir.
should be released sometime today. Okay.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. And Ms. Garcia, thank you. You can be excused if you don't have anything else.
Thank you. You
Thank
have a good
you.
weekend.
You too.
Have a good weekend, Your Honor. Bye.
Thank you. You too. Hey, who do I have here in front of me now?
Earlier on page 1.
Here's an MTR in a new case.
Okay. And that is going to be Miss Blake. Miss Blake,
Yes, Judge.
is he pleading on both these cases?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
And Judge, I think the offer did change for the new case, and if I can go over it with my client right quick.
Okay, let's put you in a breakout room. Okay,
Thank you, Judge. Sorry about that.
that's okay.
It won't take long.
Debbie, can you put him in a breakout room, please?
Yes, Judge, I'll put them in 2.
Okay, in the meantime, is there anybody else we can do?
Well, Daniel, I'm sorry. On a Gonzalez,
Uh-huh.
is there
I'm sorry.
is there an offer, or do we need to reset this?
No, there's an offer, but I need to communicate it to Gary. No, I don't think he was ever sent one.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
So whenever Gary
Judge,
gets here, just let me know.
Okay. Judge, I've texted him and emailed him several times.
If you send it off to a new person, let me know.
Okay, well, let's give him to the end of the docket. If he doesn't show up, then we'll reset it. A new bull, was that one that you told me earlier that you were gonna have to reset? I think you told me that. Debbie?
On who? On
Yes,
who?
I believe she did.
Elizabeth Newbold, did you?
I'm sorry. I didn't hear the name, Judge. I'm sorry.
Newbold, Elizabeth Newbold.
Yes, Judge.
That was
That's
reset.
correct.
Okay.
That's correct.
So that leaves us with Erler and then Tyler Gonzalez.
And Harper wouldn't leave a cell?
That's correct. And that will be reset to next Friday.
Harper reset. All right, thank you. Yep, just 2 more cases.
You're welcome.
Ready on Erler, Judge.
Who's this again?
Erler.
Erler? And he's pleading on his new case and on the MTR, correct?
Correct.
Okay, let me see. The new case is 02. Let me see. Okay, Mr. Erler, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Daniel Erler?
Yes.
Are you the same Daniel Erler when this cause number 2026 CC 011702 was charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated as a second offense? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
In this case, it's possible that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 30 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. You understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in that case?
Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Daniel Erler when cause number 2025 CC 012038 who is currently on probation in that case for driving while intoxicated?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you got two cases. You got a brand new case, which is a DWI second, and you have a probation case, which is a DWI first. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. You filed this document in both cases. When you filed this document in both cases, you told me that it was okay to do these cases by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you've signed it, your lawyer signed it. Did you go over this document in your new case with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on 1 minute. Let me sign this. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document on your new case entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed and that your attorney signed. You've also filed this document on your probation case as well. On the new case, though, when you filed this case, document and signed this document, the new case, you told me that you understand that if I follow the plea bargain that your lawyer made for you, that you understand you will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Probation case, when you signed this document, you told me that you understand that you can appeal the revocation of the probation, but you cannot appeal the underlying conviction. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then, on your new case, in cause number 2026 CC 011702, in that case, the offense of driving while intoxicated as a second offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay. On your probation case, there's been a motion to revoke your probation filed that alleges that during the term of your probation, conditions of your probation. Can I ask the district attorney to please read the alleged violation?
Violating condition number 1, on or about the 26th day of April 2026 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Daniel Walker Erler committed the offense of driving while intoxicated in violation of condition number 1.
And after that, sir, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
Okay. So you've entered two pleas here. You've entered a plea guilty and a plea true. Has anyone forced you to enter these pleas?
No.
I'm sorry, you've entered a plea of no contest on the new case. All right. And anyone promise you anything in order to get you to do this?
No.
All right. You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understand on the plea of no contest, even though you pled no contest, I can still find you guilty anyway.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there a plea bargain can we do the new case first, please? Since that's
Yes, Your
on-
Honor, they're going to be
screen.
slightly they're going to be slightly different. So on the new
Okay.
case, the case ending in 702, it is a zero fine, court cost, 100 days, Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. To run concurrent with the MTR, he has at least 80 days of credit on that case.
Okay, I'm gonna JSAT that case. So in that plea bargain, do you agree with that plea bargain? In this case, Ms. Blake?
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge.
Okay, and what's the plea bargain on the MTR?
On the MTR, we ask that you find that it's true. We ask that you revoke the community supervision, find him guilty, sentence him to a zero fine, court cost, 75 days, Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, to run concurrent with the new case, and he has at least 80 days of credit on that one as well.
Okay, I'm gonna judgment satisfy these cases. Do you agree with the plea bargain, Ms. Blake?
Yes, Judge.
Do you agree with this plea bargain, Mr. Erler?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Mr. Erler, on your new case, the DW has second, the court having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. Follow the plea bargain, I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 100 days in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, the judgment satisfied in this case. I'm going to type in here, defendant is indigent. That may help him in the future if he tries to reinstate his license with the superfines. Okay, so I've signed this paperwork. Now I got to go back and do the MTR paperwork. So hold on 1 minute. Okay, on your probation case, the court having heard you plead true to the motion to revoke your probation. Condition number 1. On that plea to the court accepts that plea and I revoke your probation. I reform your sentence to show a $0 fine plus court costs, 75 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. I'm going to type in here also again just to make sure defendant is indigent. I don't need to write the concurrent with them since I've judgment satisfied them both. It should take care of it. You know, these are the only cases holding your client, Ms. Blake?
They are not, Judge. She does have a hold for Hayes County.
Okay. So as far as these cases are concerned, these cases will no longer hold you here, but the Hayes County cases will hold you. Okay?
Okay.
Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Share the screen and let me mute myself. Okay, I've been told that we're going to reappoint another attorney on one of the cases that's on the plea docket. So I'm sorry, we are turning off the YouTube, but temporarily.
Attorney
And we'll
Blake,
be-
I will send you the paperwork. Sorry.
Okay, it's just,
Okay, in the meantime, we'll go over the bond docket and try and see if we can move that out of the way. So let me take us off the live stream right now.